Just measure the water. If you're cooking 2 cups rice, 2 cups of rice, then you put less than 4 cups or 3.5 cups of water. Okay, 45 minutes. This guy I'm going to cook for hour 30 minutes, hour and a half, and this hour and a half. So what I can do, I can set up the cooking time for 45 minutes, then I increase for chicken and vegetable. Oh, problem though. This cannot fit. So what I should do now? Well, take the rice out. Here you go. So rice and chicken and vegetable inside. So folks, as you see, rice is cooking. Okay, I put heat all the way low heat, and here you go. Cover it, man, and forget about it. Come back is 15 to 20 minutes. It will be done. And look at this on the stove. 1 hour 17 minutes for chicken and vegetable. Look at the outside. All is snow. Snowing every day in Toronto. Everywhere. So I don't like to stay in front of the stove, man. I just put 2 items in the oven and that's it. Okay, let me show you my vegetable now. Veg is done also. Excellent. Very nice. So here you go, folks. The chicken, the vegetable, and rice here.